Hey everyone! Today I'm going to tell you about one of the most beautiful places in Croatia, the Makarska Riviera. It's a place that truly takes your breath away, especially when you see it from above. So sit back, relax, and let's take off. In the very heart of Croatia's coastline, between the turquoise waters of the Adriatic Sea and the towering peaks of the Biokovo mountains, stretches one of the most breathtaking landscapes in Europe, the Makarska Riviera. From above, everything looks completely different. Long, narrow beaches glisten like pearl ribbons hugging the coastline. Pine forests stretch down to hidden coves, perfect little escapes. Flying over the charming town of Makarska, we see terracotta rooftops, centuries-old architecture, and a cozy harbor that invites you to slow down and simply enjoy the moment. Then come Brela, Biokovo, Tučepi, each seaside village with its own unique character and timeless charm. Watch how the Biokovo mountains rise dramatically above the coastline, like silent guardians of the sea. They don't just frame the view, they shape the climate, the mood, the soul of this place. The Makarska Riviera isn't just a travel destination, it's a feeling. A place where every sunrise looks like a postcard, where the evenings carry the scent of sea breeze, pine, and grapes, where time slows down and you can finally breathe, deeply and freely. If you're looking for inspiration, peace, or simply want to see one of the most stunning coastlines in Croatia, take a flight over the Makarska Riviera. And who knows, maybe next summer you'll be walking here in person. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Which bay or village touched your heart the most? And now, just sit back, listen to the music, let the scenery speak for itself. Take a few minutes to unwind and feel the calm of the Adriatic.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me.
I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait to see if it's worth your while. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me.
Give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me. Just watch me.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young, be young, be young. Cause I'm thinking we'll be young forever.
Feel restless in my